9 Deployment automation platforms for modern applications. If you want to save time in your application deployments, minimize the risk of errors and simplify complex production deployment actions, then deployment automation is what you need. Let's look at the best deployment automation platforms. 1. Octopus Deploy. Octopus Deploy offers a deployment automation server that helps to orchestrate releases and deploy applications. Octopus can schedule deployments, limit deployment production, and manage sensitive variables. 2. Jenkins. Jenkins is open source continuous integration software. Designed to reduce the time needed for software development, Jenkins automates testing and deployment of new builds, making it faster to integrate new features and updates. 3. Ansible. Ansible is an automated deployment platform that offers agentless architecture, which frees developers from the need to exploit or update agents. 4. Deploybot. Deploybot allows you to build and deploy the code. It supports both manual and automatic deployments. It gives you real-time progress and deployment of the code to different servers from various branches. 5. CircleCI. CircleCI lets you automate testing and deployment. It can automatically detect changes in the GitHub repository and test the code. 6. PDQ Deploy. PDQ Deploy is a patch deployment platform that automates patch management and allows developers to update third-party software and deploy custom scripts. 7. CircleCI. CircleCI is a deployment automation platform which allows you to customize the execution environment and give you many different features to collaborate with the team. 8. Amazon CodePlay. Amazon CodePlay is a deployment automation tool known for its robustness, popularity, and its cross-platform and cross-language character. 9. Google Cloud Deploy. Google Cloud Deploy allows you to use configuration as code and do repeatable deployments through its template-driven approach. Conclusion: using a deployment automation approach with a platform that fits one's needs is particularly crucial for software publishers who have to update their software or deploy their codes and those of their customers often several times a day. Thanks for watching.